Okay, this morning, Datuk Ismail Sabri attended court. He was charged under Section 36 of the MACC Act. Essentially, it is an offence of not complying with the notice to declare certain assets. Today, myself, together with Datuk Sri Rajan, together and Mr. Ragunas Kesavan, we appear for Datuk Sri Ismail. Initially, the prosecution proposed the bail sum of 500,000. They wanted his passport to be surrendered to the court. Of course, we objected to the amount being too excessive, manifestly excessive, and with regard to the condition, it's punitive in nature. And as regard to the passport, we objected for the passport to be surrendered. There is no necessity for his passport to be surrendered. He has proven himself to be not a flight risk, and there is no evidence to show that he is a flight risk. He's here to clear his name. And upon hearing the arguments that Datuk Sri Rajan had put forward, myself, Mr. Ragu, finally the court had decided that the appropriate bail amount to be set is 300,000, and the court decided not to impound his passport. Okay, so that is as far as what happened in court today. A date has been fixed for case management for the prosecution to supply all the relevant papers which they need to use in court. That's it. Anything else?
What's the date for the...
I believe it's 29 September
29 September.
for the prosecution to hand over the documents.
In the meantime, we will be studying the charge, and of course, we did inform the court that we are raising certain concerns about the propriety and the legality of the charge. But we will not go into detail. We will definitely do something. We'll definitely study the charge, and if need be, we'll definitely file a necessary application.
Dato', you said during your said the case is peculiar because of why?
Oh yeah, we've seen that prior to this, there was an application filed upon the prosecution to MACC for those assets that have been the subject matter of the current charge to be forfeited. Under normal circumstances, and then when you use that particular provision, we have decided that there shall not be any prosecution. So, and there was an affirmation government by the prosecution that upon studying the IP that decided not to take any action. And I think the fact that suddenly now there is a change of heart by the prosecution, that's something that we have to look into. That's why we say it's a bit peculiar.
It has never, this situation has never arisen.
So, what is the situation of Datuk Sri health condition?
Okay, Alhamdulillah, he's recovering. He's due for his next visit with the IJN as a follow-up. So as far as today, of course, we're glad that nothing untoward happened to him. And let's keep on praying for his health.
So how does he feel about this charge being leveled?
Nobody likes to be charged. Let's be clear on that. And especially when you think that the charge is baseless, unfounded, and after what had transpired based on the circumstances of the chronology, of course, nobody will be happy about it. Nobody's going to be happy. Assuming that the current Prime Minister, assuming that he steps down, he wouldn't like to be charged as well.
So, Dato', are you saying that there is a previous agreement when...
No, we can't disclose as to anything further than that. All we can say is that we find that the circumstances surrounding the whole prosecution is a bit peculiar. Let's
And we want to explore it.
We want to explore that.
further. We want to explore it
Is this
further.
why dia dapat tadi in the third party punya different section court? Because last time there's no third party contest on the feature, right?
Well, as to whether or not there was any third party contesting to it, that's a separate issue. All we're saying that the manner how this charge is referred against Datuk Sri is peculiar. We are studying the matter. Datuk Sri Rajan, myself, we are studying. We would definitely take the necessary action to challenge the validity and the propriety of the charge. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.